another vlog, and we are in LA. We're currently at Earth, eating lunch. Just ordered our food, waiting for it to go. Checked into our Airbnb, and we're trying to waste some time to go shopping just so we don't have to waste more time in traffic. And we're at Disneyland! Woo! Let's go! The other girls are somewhere here. We don't know where they parked or anything, so we're gonna try to find them.
African bull elephant. They actually have two African bull elephants. They don't really get to spend much time with each other because there's a river in the way. Does anybody know how to make an elephant float? Anybody? You add ice cream and soda.
I don't get it.
Lions are protecting the sleeping zebra. Sure looks dead. Tired.
She thinks it's funny.
They're tired, right? Ooh, wow. Let's all say hyena.
Hyena, hyena. I get it. This guy's funny. He's really funny. That's Alina right there. The creator.
I like to ask sometimes. How about you guys back there? Where are you from?
From Sacramento.
Where's that? Sacramento? I actually know somebody there. Do you know Bob?
Yeah.
Isn't he great?
Yeah.
He's done so much for me.
We know Bob.
He's here? Oh, tell him I said hi there. Wait, hippos? Wait. Those are hippos. We're not supposed to be here. These are very dangerous creatures. And look at that.
We're on a safari. We're actually in Africa. I told you guys we were going to Disneyland, but we didn't go to Disneyland. We went to Africa. So.
Don't worry, you're scared. Casey put a blank looks on his face.
That's really funny. So we just got off of Splash Mountain, and half of us are super wet. Half of us sat at the back, so we're not as wet. Are you wet?
I'm not wet at all.
Look at them. They're soaked.
I hid behind a
Oh my goodness! That's
been on my lap. Were you the front too? Yeah, no.
Yeah, well, you look a little bit more wet, but it's okay.
A little more wet?
It's the third day and we came to Newport Beach to have breakfast. This place is super nice. We're at the marina. later on in the day, and we headed up to Malibu. That's where we are. And the sun's setting. We didn't vlog much throughout the day just because we were kind of hanging out. That's Anita, Ruth, and Katie dancing in the back. The other girls went somewhere, but I can't see them. I don't know where they are. The reason I'm so bundled up is because, one, it's cold. Two, I'm starting to get sick. I've literally had a fever and sore throat, nasal congestion, honestly everything at this point. I took some Dayquil. It's not helping that much, but that's it. I don't know. We're going to do a few more things and then head home. So I think I'll just like close it off here. I don't know what else will be interesting to vlog. So that's pretty much it for today. It's the next day, and we're doing a Christmas party. I'm still sick, but you know, I'm being a trooper and I came. But we're having a white elephant, a gift exchange thing later on, and so far there's not that many people here, but I wanted to start this before it gets hectic and crazy.
Your gift doesn't get stolen, you can't steal.
I get to steal at the end, because I was the first one.
Like, I don't want it to be good, someone's gonna steal it.
I wonder who this is from. Is that Amazon?
It's actually from me.
Oh wait, never mind. I thought it was Abercrombie. The heck it looked like? Yeah, from last year.
It was like a plan my mom got.
You know, I'll take Jenna camping.
I have bosses all the time. Yeah, we did too. We got coffee.
It's a perfect present for you, man.
That candle's
I know, right? Careful with that. Honestly, for David. David probably thinks he's on. David is perfect. You're gonna enjoy it. Real turbo. What is that? Low key, I wanted this. What is it?
Low key only.
It's a phone mount.
Oh, nice.
Dude, it's a Nerf gun. I'm dead serious. Is it the magnet one? Yeah. This is perfect. I was legit looking at it. I think you need the knife.
Yeah, I don't know how to.
I see why you brought the knife with you.
I always bring it, bro.
3 months supply of whose address is it?
It's like a clown.
It's an iPhone charger.
Angela's face is supposed to be on there.
That's the one.
This is what ants would do.
You can still get through. This one's locked. It's locked, yeah.
Yes, it is.
Hey, you better not take my gun,
That's
nigga.
not bad.
I'm already.
Look at Anton the Jew. Look at that.
Stay away.
It's okay.
Okay.
Oh my god.
I'll see that at home.
I have the cookbook.
Okay.
Oh yeah, Anita's all like, oh, that's already home. I kind of want that. I love Can I see it? Like, this is such a cute bag. Do you have one?
Off-roading, you're gonna drop it everything.
That doesn't matter, Anita.
Do we need one?
You don't have one?
Always
It
need
holds up to 2 people.
Woo woo! I would steal that.
Okay, then I'm stealing it.
And it comes in the box.
Yes!
Yeah.
We're gonna keep this
The
bag.
box of real disappointment. Oh my god.
Just do it.
That's what he said.
Like, cuts his
iPod?
This looks like an Apple Watch.
Use your mouth.
It looks like
That's what they
Oh,
got.
it's AirPods. Fitbit.
no AirPods. $150. Hurry up and open it.
Oh my god!
Just opening!
Someone might steal it. I can't open it yet.
Bro,
Anton, just open it.
Oh my gosh.
Those.
it's an Apple Watch, guys.
Open it.
Open it.
Doesn't look Apple Watch. I have my hopes.
Apple Watch is longer.
iPod Touch Mini.
Nice.
What is it?
It's nice.
So we just finished our white elephant game, and now everybody's gone wild.
Yeah. And he's like, that's not fair. They're already so blind.
That's one of the people that's gone wild.
Bodyguard.
Oh, you are? Thank you.
Stealing your ammo.
But everybody basically just started shooting each other with Nerf guns because that was one of the gifts. And yeah, now there's bullets all over the floor.